Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve Business Center Newspaper Sudoku puzzle on May 16, 2022. Very hard Sudoku. Column B, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. The 8 is confirmed here. 4th grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 2, 4, 5. 7th row, we have 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then the only one number is remaining. 4. 4 is confirmed here. Eighth row and 9th row we have 8. Column H also we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column H, column J, 7th row we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. The 8 is confirmed here. Column H, 7th row we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Since 2 is here, so 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Seventh row we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. 6 will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column H we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. 1 will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column H, column J, and third row also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Two will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column I, second row we have 7. So 7 can't come in these cells. 7 will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column I, column J we have 7. Sixth row also we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. 7 is confirmed here. Column H we can confirm 6 also here. 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Seventh row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. Column F we already 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 6th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 5, 9. Column E we have 4 and 9. So 4 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Column G we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Fifth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 8, 6. Column E, we have 6 and 8. So 6 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Column E, column F, 8th row and 10th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column B, column D, column E, and third grade we have pair numbers 1 and 8. One and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Fourth row we have 5. So 5 can come in this cell. 5 will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column E, column G, and fourth row we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Column E, fourth row we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells, the 1 is confirmed here. We can confirm 8 also here. Column B, second row and fourth row we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Column B, column I we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. We can confirm G also here. We can confirm 7 also here. Third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. Third grade, we already see 7. So 7 can come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Column I, column J, we have pair numbers 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column H, only 1 number is remaining, 9, 9 is from here. Ninth grade, column F, column C, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Column E, column F, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 8th grade, we already have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8, it will be in another 2 cells. 2nd grade, we already have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. 5th row, only 1 number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. 2nd grade, only 1 number is remaining, 2 is confirmed here. Since 2 is here, so 2 can't come in the cell, then 2 is confirmed here. Third grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. 4th row, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. Column C, we already have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. Column B, we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Column B, only 1 number is remaining, 9, 9 is confirmed here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4, it will come in the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6, it will come in the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column C, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 5. 10th row, we have 2 and 5, so 2 and 5 can't come this cell, it will come in the 2 cells. 8th row, we already do 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Then only 1 number is remaining, 4 is confirmed here. Since 4 is here, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. We have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. 10th row, only one number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. 9th row we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. Column I, we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Since 1 is here, 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Column J, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.